Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode where we'll embark on a journey to explore Scrum and provide a concise Scrum introduction in under 4 minutes. Let's dive right in. Scrum is a simple framework to boost productivity and deliver products that will delight your customers. It does this by breaking the complex into smaller component parts. Teams then focus on tackling one piece at a time. After each incremental step, the team reevaluates what direction the product should take and what process is most efficient to accomplish that. Scrum allows you and your team to inspect and adapt your product, process, and plans more quickly. An easy way to remember all the key elements of Scrum is this: 3-5-3. The first 3 represents the 3 roles in Scrum: the product owner, Scrum Master, and the team. There are 5 meetings that we call events, and 3 artifacts which are produced in or help guide these events. Here's how it works. All good products start with a goal and a vision of how to get there. That's what the product owner does in Scrum. They own the what, as in what the team is going to make. The product owner creates a prioritized to-do list of all the things which need to be done in order to finish the product. This is called the product backlog. Then, the team that will do the work takes a look at that product backlog during sprint planning, the first event in Scrum. In that event, the team pulls in only the backlog items they believe they can finish in a set period of time, known as a sprint. This shorter to-do list is called the sprint backlog. Once that's ready, the actual sprint can begin. Sprints are the heartbeat of Scrum. This is when the actual work takes place. Each sprint lasts from 1 to 4 weeks. They're short by design. A sprint should be just long enough to allow the team to produce a meaningful working piece of the product that could be released to customers. We call this a potentially shippable product increment. But sprints should still be short enough that the product owner, Scrum Master, and team can change course if needed based on consumer or stakeholder feedback. Throughout the sprint, the Scrum Master coaches the team and product owner on Scrum. They also facilitate the events and support the team as needed. Every workday, the product owner, Scrum Master, and team gather for the daily Scrum. This event should take no more than 15 minutes, and everyone states what they did yesterday to make progress toward the sprint goal, what they will do today, and they note anything that is slowing them down or getting in their way. The next event in Scrum happens at the end of the sprint. It's called Sprint Review. At this event, the product owner makes sure the right customers or stakeholders are there to see the potentially shippable product increment demonstrated and give their feedback. The final event in Scrum is the Sprint Retrospective. This is where the team looks back on the process and the sprint as a whole and says what went well and what could have gone better. Plus, they agree on trying something in the next sprint that may boost production or make the process work better. And that's it, the basic 3-5-3 structure of Scrum.